Welcome to Knowledge Press YouTube channel. I am going to explain in this tutorial word followed by English prepositional part 1 and how to use in a sentence. Improve your knowledge of preposition and success your future life. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, leave a comment in the comment section, share the video. Let's do this tutorial together. Affection for. A feeling of liking or tenderness for a person or place. Now I move on to describe example. We must give necessary protection and physical affection for elders. Now I am going to discuss next one. Ambition for. Desire for some type of achievement and work or activity. This means a strong wish to achieve a particular thing. Now see the example. The broadcaster has worked hard and ambition for researching his destination. Now I am going to discuss next one. Anxiety for. Distress or uneasiness of mind caused by fear resulting from the anticipation of the treating event or situation. Now I am going to discuss example. The dominator reviews and anxiety for everything. Apology for. A written or spoken expression that you are sorry for something that the wrong you have done. This means excuse or justification in his speech. Now see the example. He said, "My apologies for not writing to you." Now see the next one and how I use the appetite for in sentences. A desire for food, drink or liking for something. This means the feeling that you want to eat food. She is not only watching television but appetite for more information also. Aptitude for. A natural ability, capacity, innate or acquired capacity for something. Example is eagerness and aptitude for collecting information made pass the aptitude test. Blame for. An act of attributing fault or the situation in which people say, "Oh, think that someone or something did something wrong." Example, he may blame his workers for not supporting to him. Now I am going to discuss next one. Candidate for. A person who is competing to get a job or a person who is selected by others as a contestant for an office. Now I am going to discuss example. The interview board has selected young candidates for this post. Capacity for. The maximum amount or number that you can be received, contained or produced. Example, the climber has a great capacity for work. Compassion for. A feeling of deep sympathy or pity for others. Now I am going to discuss example. Guardian commits compassion for him at this most difficult time. Compensation for. Reward money or something to someone for service or money that is paid to someone in exchange something that has been lost or damaged. He spent a lot of compensation for the disaster. Contempt for. The attitude or feeling of a person towards a person or thing that he considers worthless or despicable, or a strong feeling of lack of respect for someone. Now see the example. Finally she continues her content for the groups. Craving for. A strong feeling of wanting something or compulsion or uncontrollable desire. Example, the cartographer concluded his work with craving for monotonous life, desire for. Want something strongly and to express a wish to obtain is mean a longing craving as for something that brings satisfaction or enjoyment. Now see the example, the grammarian has a strong desire for peace among the common people. Esteem for. Regard with respect or admiration and respect for a good opinion of someone. It's meant to admire something or someone. The cricketer esteems for his other strength. Now I am going to discuss business for. Conditions for being physically strong and healthy or activities related to keeping healthy or strong. The huntress with fitness for particular purpose has finished her work very quickly. Fondness for. A great liking, tenderness or affection for someone or something. The fondness for development made donated to spent money to the industry. Guarantee for. A guarantee is a promise or assurance and secure something. The watchmaker said, "Can't give you any guarantee for this watch." Leisure for. Free from the demands of work or duty, when one can rest, enjoy hobbies or sport, and the time when you are not working or doing other duties. It's mean free or unoccupied. The dancing master is finding ample leisure for sport, liking for. The state or feeling of a person who likes preference or taste. Dramatist has a liking for soap opera. In next prepositional tutorial, I will bring you more word followed by preposition. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. And I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.